Hi, my name is Dr. Stephen Thomas here at Thomas Chiropractic Center. I am a chiropractic physician. We currently serve patients of Broward County, including Cooper City, Davie, Hollywood, Pembroke Pines, and the Weston areas. I want to take just a few minutes of your time to introduce you to our website, as well as to let you know about our very unique approach that we take with our patients. This unique approach focuses on patients who suffer from chronic related conditions. As a chiropractor, I got into chiropractic to help people with neck pain, back pain, and headaches, patients who are in auto accidents, and just help them to that road to recovery. But we've realized over time that many of our patients also suffered from other chronic conditions. And these chronic conditions included unresolved thyroid symptoms, fibromyalgia, people suffering from chronic pain, chronic fatigue, and insomnia. Also peripheral neuropathy, which includes burning, numbness, tingling into the hands and or feet. And many of these patients were becoming very frustrated. They were being either given medications that weren't working, they were increasing the medications, and they just were not getting the results they were looking for. They was never getting to the root of the problem. So what we have done is we have found this unique approach to take both a neurologic approach with chiropractic, take a metabolic approach, and marry and merge these two together so we can help our patients get to the root cause of their problem. There's information below this video. There are links for free reports. There's information for success secrets. There's also information to request free DVDs on how we help patients with these chronic conditions. I urge you to navigate through this website. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can contact our office at 954-680-0888. Again, my name is Dr. Stephen Thomas at Thomas Chiropractic Center. Have a great day.